Hi, welcome back with Victoria on my YouTube channel. Just remember to hit subscribe just to tune into some more of my videos coming your way. Today I wanted to talk to you about the benefits of having lash extensions and really what do you do when you decide to have them taken off. So when I am teaching, obviously I explain the importance of looking after your lashes and making sure that you don't pick them and pull them off. But I know a lot of you out there, you're having your lashes done and then you might get to a point where maybe you just don't want them on your eyes anymore, or you can't afford to keep them up, or you don't have time to keep going back to have them topped up. There could be a number of different reasons. You get frustrated, and you've all done it, and I know you have. You sit and you just start picking and pulling them out. So you're sitting in front of the telly and you start twisting them and pulling them. What you need to remember is every time you do that, you are going to be pulling out your natural lashes. And I see so many ladies who have had extensions on and then they end up with no natural lashes left at all. So first things to remember is if you're going to have lash extensions, and I love mine and I wear them pretty much all year round, there's nothing wrong with that, but if you're going to have them, you need to look after them. Firstly, to have them topped up regularly, and then secondly, if you decide you don't want to have them on for whatever reason, just go back and get them taken out professionally. Don't try and take them out yourself, and certainly don't pick and pull them out. I always say, why would you want to pull them out? They hurt. It feels so uncomfortable. Even if you just catch one, it really, really pulls. So go back, have them taken out properly. Now, when you first have them taken out, you'll look at yourself in the mirror and you'll be like, oh my goodness, what have I done? That's normal. I literally look like a different person without my lashes on, but it's only because you've gone from having full looking lashes when you wake up in the morning first thing to literally then down to your natural lashes. It's not because they're particularly shorter than when you first started, it's just the contrast and the difference between the two looks. So don't get frustrated. What you need to do once they're off, the best product that I've tried, and trust me, I've tried loads, and recently, just before Christmas, I decided to have a break from my extensions because I've had them on pretty much all year. Sometimes it's just nice to rub your eyes properly when you're getting out the shower and washing, which you can't do with the extensions on, and a time frame. I can't always get to go and have them done every 2 to 3 weeks. I decided to have them off, and as like yourself will experience, I was horrified when I looked in the mirror that I just couldn't get enough mascara on, didn't feel glamorous, just didn't feel happy. So I came across a product called Rapid Lash. So I'm just going to hold that up for you. I'll hold it up to the camera. Let's bring that back. So Rapid Lash, I got this just from my local Boots. It isn't particularly expensive. It ranges anything from like sort of £8 to £10. Some of the ones you can get are 30, 40, £50 even, and I've tried them. Trust me, there isn't a real difference. But what we need to do is nourish and rehydrate our lashes. So with this serum, key things that I learned when I was doing it was I kind of expected to put it on and wake up in the morning and my lashes have all grown and repaired and replenished themselves. It doesn't work like that. Like most things, what you need to do is make sure you do it daily, I would say. And I sometimes would use it morning and night. So I'm just going to show you how simple and easy it is to put on. I've obviously got lashes on at the moment and a little bit of mascara. So I would say put it on when you've got nothing on, but there isn't any harm in putting it on over what you've already got. So this is just, I'll just hold that up for you so you can see. So it's got a tiny little brush on it and it's a clear serum. So all you need to do, look sort of up slightly in the mirror, and the key is putting it on the base of the lashes. So all this is going to do is just replenish them, re-nourish them, add in everything that they need to kind of get them to grow again. So I was doing it like morning. Once I got out of the shower, I would just put it on underneath, let it dry, and then I would just put my mascara on top. And then at night time, once I've taken all my makeup off, I would then just put it back on. And as I said, it can go over like it is on this. You can see it's clear, so you wouldn't know it was on there. But obviously to really work and really penetrate in the lashes, they recommend that you put it on blank lashes. So for me, this literally worked miracles. As I said, I put it on, so I would say had about 4 to 6 weeks break. And my lashes came back lovely, But me being me, I love the fact that I can wake up in the morning and have lashes on. So I did go back to having my lashes on, but maybe in a few more months' time, I'll have them taken off, and this would be definitely my go-to product. So I'll just hold that up one more time for you. So just Rapid Lash. It's an eyelash enhancing serum. Really easy to use, not expensive. So remember, don't get caught up on the price. Just a simple one. As I said, this is from your local chemist or Boots. And they start about £8. So give it a go. I look forward to seeing you again. Just remember, hit subscribe, and I'll see you back very soon. See you soon.